How to draw the NFL Super Bowl trophy. Hey everyone! So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a circle towards the top center of our page. This will be the bottom point of our football on top of our trophy. Next, we're going to draw the outline of our football. So we're going to draw two big curved lines, one on the left hand side and one on the right. They will both connect to each other, along with the point down below that we just drew together. Next, we're going to draw two curved lines on the inside of our football that we just drew together to help separate the sides. Next, we're going to draw X's on the right line that we just drew on the inside of our football. Now beneath our football, but connected, we're going to begin to draw a big L-like shape. This will be the bottom of our trophy. So at the end point that we just stopped, we want to connect one more line to that point. So we're going to go to our football and we're going to draw one line coming down, which will meet at the point of where we just stopped. Now at the point of where we just stopped, we're going to begin to draw a small line going from left to right. This will be the front of our trophy, and this will make it appear as if it is three-dimensional. Now coming down from our football, we're going to draw another line on an angle that will connect at the right end point. Now we're almost done, but we still have one last thing that we have to do. We have to draw a small little NFL logo on the front of our trophy. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, so you can pause the video and match your colors. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And if you want to help continue to grow the community, then give this video a big like. Great job today. See you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.